Samsung is gearing up for something big, like really big. One UI 8.5 isn't just another routine software update, it's the kind that completely changes how your phone feels in your hand. Early testers are calling it one of Samsung's most polished versions ever, and the timing couldn't be more exciting. It's rolling out right alongside the Galaxy S26 series. But before you start checking your settings menu, there's one question that everyone's asking: will your Galaxy phone actually get it? Hey everyone, James here. Welcome back to the channel. If you love staying ahead of the curve with Samsung news, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next update. Now, let's dive straight into what's new. So, here's the thing. One UI 8.5 is more than just a 0.5 update. Samsung has gone all in this time, fine-tuning nearly every corner of the interface. Think smoother animations, a smarter quick panel you can actually customize, and cleaner visuals that make everything feel faster and lighter. Even system apps like Settings, Gallery, and Camera are getting subtle but noticeable redesigns that give your phone a modern, premium vibe. But let's talk eligibility, because that's the part everyone's waiting for. Based on Samsung's update policy, the Galaxy S25 lineup, including the S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and S25 Edge, are first in line. Right behind them are the S24 and S23 families, plus the S22 series and S21 FE. Foldable fans, don't worry, the Z Fold 7, Fold 6, Fold 5, and even Fold 4 are all expected to get it. Same goes for Flip 7, Flip 6, and earlier models down to the Flip 4. Now, mid-range users, Samsung hasn't forgotten about you. A55, 54, A35, 85, A15, and even the budget-friendly A06 should make the cut. The F and M series are also on track: F55, F54, F34, M56, M55, M54, and many more. Rug users, yep, Xcover 7 and Xcover 6 Pro are likely in too. And tablet fans will be happy. Tab S11, S10, S9, and even S8 models are on the tentative list, along with the Tab A9 lineup. Now here's where things get interesting. One UI 8.5 brings a redesigned calling interface that finally feels futuristic. Samsung's adding an AI-based voicemail feature, meaning callers can leave voice notes directly. No carrier voicemail nonsense. The Gallery app gets smarter too, integrating with Samsung's new Gallery Assistant, which can auto-suggest edits, enhance photos, or even remove unwanted reflections with a single tap. The lock screen customization has leveled up big time. You can now choose different clock styles, tweak fonts, and even apply adaptive color themes that change with your wallpaper. And yes, the Quick Share feature has been rebuilt from the ground up. Faster pairing, cleaner transitions, and way smoother animations. Everything just feels more connected, more alive. And get this, one UI 8.5 introduces a completely new update page that shows not just what's new, but why it matters. Almost like Samsung's telling the story behind every tweak. Even the device care menu looks fresh, with redesigned battery insights and optimization options that adjust in real time based on your usage habits. So yeah, this isn't just about looks, it's about intelligence. Samsung is clearly blending AI and UI into something that feels genuinely next-gen. It's not confirmed yet, but insiders suggest this could be the last major update before One UI 9.0, which is rumored to arrive with Android 16 next year. That means 8.5 could be Samsung's way of polishing everything before the big leap. If your device made it on this list, congratulations, you're in for a serious upgrade. But even if it didn't, don't lose hope. Samsung has been expanding its update support more than ever before, and surprise rollouts happen all the time. So, what do you think? Does One UI 8.5 sound like the update you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts down below and tell me which feature you're most excited about. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I'll be diving deeper into One UI 8.5's hidden changes and secret features in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers!